Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to another video here at Grow and Glow. And today we are revisiting a brand, a platform that I have talked about before with perhaps a little bit of disdain. It's THREDUp, which, as you know, is an online consignment thrift store that really boomed in 2020, really got a ton of hype, and everybody was all about it. One of the main things that it was super popular for was that people could send in their unwanted, unworn clothing items and consign it. So you can send your items to THREDUp. THREDUp will then determine the value or the price that they can sell those items for and give you a commission off of it. So a lot of people were really loving that component of the platform, as well as you could thrift from hundreds and thousands of other people's clothing, as well as all of the items that THREDUp themselves were sourcing from different places and opportunities. So THREDUp got super huge, and really their angle is that by providing this sort of thrifting online consignment option, they are helping to reduce waste, they're helping to reduce carbon footprint and save a lot of clothing from landfills. And I have to be honest, that was something that I really resonated with as well when I first heard about them back in 2020. If you've seen my video, then you know that I sent some items to THREDUp and it was not very successful. I might have been a tad bit bitter about it because I sent a lot of things that I thought were really great value, that I thought were a really good name brand, and they either decided that they couldn't sell those items, or the ones that they did end up putting up on their website were, really cheap, and so I didn't get much out of it. Fast forward 2 years and here I am. I purchased my very own THREDUp box to shop for myself. And you guys know that I have a rule: if I am going to shop clothing items for myself, I always try to go through my closet first and edit out all of the things that I either no longer wear, can't fit, just don't like anymore, and I replace them with new items. So this shopping go round, what I really needed in my closet were staple items that were a little bit more polished, a little more business friendly, because all I really have been wearing the last 2 years is athleisure and casual clothing. And now that Dave and I are opening a business, I kind of have to look a little bit more polished. I need to be a little more put together, hence the haircut and the eyebrows that you guys have experienced with me in my last few videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the lovely things that I got. I do have the THREDUp app on my phone, so I was able to place my order and track the delivery through the app. I had some basic criteria for how I chose the items that I chose, and what it came down to was value, because I love a good bargain. Brand, because I am purchasing online, sight unseen, only from the pictures and the minimal description they have on the website. So I really wanted to stick with brands that I know, I love, that I've tried on a bunch of times, so that I can be more sure about the fit and sizing. Third criteria was condition, so I wanted to get either new with tags or in excellent condition. So after I placed the items in my cart, I went through the description again to double check and make sure that the condition of the clothing item was going to be either brand new or really excellent. And then I hit the button to purchase, and we were off to the races. I do have to say I was pleasantly surprised with the time frame in which I was able to receive all of the items. I placed my order on December 18th, right before Christmas, and so I wasn't actually expecting to get my items until after Christmas, so closer to January 1st, because I know that they would have to collect all the items from the different distribution centers, package it all, and then send it to me, and then You know how holiday shipping is. It's just mayhem and madness. But lo and behold, I actually received it on Christmas Eve. So that was only 7 days between placing the order, receiving my box, and that included a weekend. So thank you, THREDUp. You did really good there. My total spend on the box was $136.98 or something. So $137. I think for 10 items, that was a fantastic deal. Let me show you what I got. I'm actually wearing the first item, and it's a BCBG marled knit with these wide sleeve cuffs. And I really like this sweater. It's very nice and soft. It's got a really good design to it. It's a little roomy around the waist for all that good holiday eating, you know what I mean? And then second item I'm also wearing as well, I'll show you, are these jeans. They are a pair of All Saints mast jeans, and mast is basically one of their cuts. This one is a medium rise skinny jean, and I am loving it. Literally, it's like brand new. And I love the color. It is a darker wash, so very classy. I have worn All Saints jeans for a long time. I have 2 of my original pairs that I first ever purchased from them many years ago, like 10 years ago. And they are still super stretchy, very soft, have retained their shape, but they're just too old for me to wear. There's like holes in the pockets and it's just unwearable. Anyways, these jeans have not disappointed. They are so comfortable, very nice stretch, and really form-fitting. I love it. Next item that I'll show you are these beautiful Italian loafers. They're this beautiful royal blue suede with a bit of a fringy kind of detail, pom-pommy detail on the top. It's made in Italy by a brand called Mercanti Fiorentini, and you can see the tread on the bottom is also nearly brand new. I was so excited to see these, and very classy for new business owner me. Next, we have this BCBG skirt. It's a pleated maxi skirt with a shorter sort of underskirt, and then it goes into this sheer material all the way to the floor. BCBG is a brand that I have loved, followed, worn for all throughout my 20s. It has very reliable quality. The design and aesthetic has always held up. What I love about BCBG is that they have a very standard set of designs, and they'll just change out the colors and the pattern and the material for most of their staple items. So this sweater, I knew what I was getting. This skirt, I've already tried variations of that skirt before. Love the color. I actually booked a family photo shoot for next week because our daughter's in town, and I wanted us to have a little photo memory of her at this age right now because she's so adorable, so cute. So I am definitely gonna be wearing that skirt for that photo shoot. Wilfred is another brand that I super love. Wilfred is one of my favorite house brands that they have. This is a very soft, like cashmere-like sweater knit top. It's nice and light, so you can wear it on its own, you can wear it underneath something. It's a little bit of a crop on the front, and then a little bit of a longer hemline in the back. And then it's got the signature side slit right there, so I can throw on, you know, a camisole underneath and throw that on top and call it a day. I also have been wanting a pleated metallic skirt for the longest time. This is a mid-length skirt by ASTR, and I just thought it was so cute, so festive, really pretty for parties. And while it is thinner than I imagined from the website, it does have a skirt lining, and I am looking forward to trying this one on and styling it in a few different ways. I think this will go well with this sweater as well, which is why I got it. Both of the skirts and the sweaters I got because I figured that they would all sort of match together. And then I had to pick up some basics because all of my t-shirts I have just been worn through and cannot be worn any longer. So here we have a Babaton white tee, basic boat neck cut with the signature back stitching line like so. I don't have any white t-shirts, so this is gonna be perfect. It's a great basic piece. And then one more Aritzia shirt, another Wilfred, and this is a black t-shirt with sort of that crew neck neckline. It's got the signature side slit on the side. Now, one thing that I wasn't expecting that I'm surprised about with this one is that instead of a solid black shirt, it actually has some sort of like webbing design on it. Oh, you can see. What is that? I did not see that in the photo that they uploaded, so I'm a little bit surprised and slightly flabbergasted. However, the fabric is that signature soft, super comfy, good quality fabric, so I know that it will feel nice when I wear it. I don't know about this webbing, but I'm willing to give it a try. And then we have this All Saints t-shirt in gray. This is a bit of an oversized t-shirt. All the t-shirts I got are extra small, but they're all slightly different sizings. And I did that purposefully because I wanted to have options and different fits. This one has like a cold shoulder cutout moment on the sleeve. And it's a bit of a V-neck, oversized, short front, a little bit of a longer back so that your butt gets coverage. Love this one as well. And then final item that I got is this snakeskin Club Monaco belt because I was in need of a new belt. And this one's nice. I love a good snakeskin moment. And that's what I got from THREDUp. Again, great value. The brands that I purchased are all tried and true to me. I knew what to expect for the most part, but it was still enough of a surprise where I was like, oh, that's nicer than I thought. And I have to say, everything is in really excellent condition, at least just from what I've seen so far. Like, yes, the black t-shirt has a little bit of lint on it, but it's black. What do you expect? I can just give that a good roll with the lint roller or some tape and it'll be good as new. Overall, I'm super pleased. I can't wait to try everything on. And if you have any questions about buying from THREDUp, or you want to know some tips and tricks that I used, feel free to ask me any questions in the comments and I will answer them the best that I can. I love making these review videos that help you to discover new products and brands or ways to have a more sustainable, intentional, and joyful life. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and a like, share it on your social medias if you can, and until next time, keep on growing and glowing. Bye!